Okay, y'all, this is just a reminder video, factoring when the coefficient is greater than 1. I know that you have done this before, but you might have forgotten. So I'm going to start with an example. I'll just do two quick ones here for you. Let's say we have 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. And the difference, again, is that this number right here is something other than 1. It's a little bit different than the other way we factor. So what you have to do is take this number, that coefficient, and multiply it by this number. Don't forget to take the sign. So 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Okay? Just like when you're factoring a trinomial with the coefficient of 1, now you think of all the numbers that multiply together to give you negative 15. So I go through 1 and negative 15, negative 1 and positive 15, 3 times negative 5, and negative 3 times 5. Okay, I need to pick which set of numbers adds together to give me this negative 2. So when I look at 3 and negative 5, that multiplies to negative 15 and adds to negative 2, so that's my correct set of numbers. So then that's what goes in my parentheses. So far, I'd get x plus 3, x minus 5. Okay, so these numbers go right here. Now, the difference now is that we have to remember that I multiplied by this 3 to get this negative 15. So before I'm finished with the problem, since I multiplied by that 3, I have to remember to divide that 3 out of both of these numbers. Okay? When I do that, I now simplify what I've got there. Okay? So when I simplify, 3 over 3 is 1. So this factor becomes x plus 1. This factor, 5 over 3, cannot be simplified. If that's the case, then I take this number and I put it in front. So this becomes 3x minus 5. That is our factored version. Okay? So it's just the same, except you have to remember to multiply that 3 and then divide that 3 out. I don't know if this is a different way than you learned. There are multiple ways to factor. You can do trial and error, and there's also factoring by grouping. Whichever way you prefer is cool with me. Let me do one more example for those that need it. Okay, so let's take 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. Okay, so we start off by taking my 2, multiplying it by my negative 9, which gives me a negative 18. So I think what two numbers multiply to negative 18 and add to 3? You can list all of them if you want, but I'm just going to go straight to what I need. Negative 3 times 6 multiplies to negative 18. When I add them, I get a positive 3, which is exactly what I want right there. So this becomes x minus 3, x plus 6. Then I have to remember, okay, I multiplied this 2 out, so now I have to remember to divide it out in my factors. Forgot the parenthesis there. And then I simplify. Simplify. Okay. So right here, 3 over 2 is as simple as it can be, so this goes in front. So I have 2x minus 3 is one factor, and then over here 6 divided by 2 is 3, so that becomes x plus 3. And there we go. Those are two factors. Okay, so on that sheet you need to pick 6 problems to do for class tomorrow on both sheets. I will see you then.